So we are here at UC Davis Medical Center with Dr. Shukanta Maitra, and he's going to demonstrate to us how he prepares the materials for the bone marrow aspiration.
So the first step is what we do is we label 3 small medicine cups on the field, labeled ACDA, heparin, and bone marrow aspirate concentrate, as you can see here. We place these sterilely onto the field. Each aspiration kit contains 2 trocars and 2 60cc syringes. So the first step is to begin the rinsing process. That usually occurs with heparin first. We rinse the entire syringe. So what I'm doing is just preparing, making sure that this syringe is ready to go for aspiration. So what I end up liking to do is get the trocar. Because I like to rinse the trocar. I think it's appropriate to rinse the trocar as well. So we get as much of the heparin as we can in there. And I just essentially flush the entire 60 cc's straight up and down. And then back into the heparin cup. And I do the same thing for the ACDA. Going all the way through the 60 cc's, all the way through the entire length of the tube. And then we leave 6 cc's remaining in the 6 cc's remaining in the tube of the ACDA. That completes one of them.
Tony, yes sir. Piano reamers are right there, right there.
Which side? Are they all the same?
6, 7, and 8. Skinny one.
Skinnier, but let's give the other one.
No, that's the problem. Yeah, those are actually kind of. I'd say academically it's better than where we are now.
Yeah.
Up until that grade level, this is 6. Well, actually 6th grade, actually that's what else. What do you feel like? But
not a whole lot of shit.
shoot one more time. You can offer late from a while. Yes. Well, you left the feet in there, David. Push it. Just push it. Push. Yeah, keep pushing. Keep pushing. He's not coming right. Good.
Whoa.
Sorry about that.
Maybe that was a little premature. You gotta wait for it.
Got a little excited. Come on. Look what happy did. It's all exposed because the guy shooting it. You want to go now? No, we're done. Oh, we're done. We're done then. Oh, sorry. Sorry. If you think it's going to come on, what he says.
Mark.
Okay.
Mark.
Nice way to stay. Come on to the knees.
Yeah. Cool. Hello? Hey.
Yep, all the way to the knees. You're ready to shoot.
Joel, yes. Okay? Alright. 36.
That's not good.
Okay? Okay. 36.
Wait for that second hit, right?
Nope. You can go now. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, no problem.
Raise your machine up a little higher.
This is my last level.
And we are working with Dr. Mark Lee, and we just processed 120 cc's of bone marrow and concentrated that down to 20 cc's with the ART21 rescue device. So Dr. Lee is going to show us how he prepares the graft material for application in long bone non-unions.
So for a defect, where we're going to need a fair or a reasonable volume of graft, our typical combination would be about 30 cc's of this 1 to 5 freeze-dried cortical cancellous chip material. Again, the cell concentrate here, and then we add a demineralized bone matrix to this mixture to improve the handleability of the graft composite. And so I usually start. I'm going to try to use this whole volume, obviously, because it has all of our cell concentrate in it, and I'll mix it in here. And my plan, if I'm mixing the full volume, is to use this full 30 cc's of allograft here. But as you can see, even when I add the liquid volume to the graft, it's actually not very adherent to itself. It makes it very difficult to actually pack it. And so, because I know that the particular demineralized bone matrix that I'm using, the carrier is actually nice for the consistency of the graft, I'll add in here 5 cc's of this demineralized bone matrix to this mixture, not for the inductive part of it, but also literally just improve the handleability of this graft material. And so once I mix that in, use my fingers to mix it. You can see that it improves the sort of the characteristic of this graft to make it a little more like putty that can be packed into a defect. And so now this is the sort of the consistency I'm looking for with this combination and volume of material, is a graft that comes out looking a little more like cancellous bone graft. That combination. And again, because I'm trying to use all the cellular concentrate, I'll try to implant this whole volume of material.